I have many videos about my personal technique are forehead and eyebrow lift without visible scar. I reposition the forehead and the eyebrow through 3 minimal incisions. Also, I develop blepharoplasty without skin resection. But to the hour to perform a face and neck lift, we perform a technique that we are going to see. Many patients come to our clinic because they have this visible scar and anesthetic scar. They come to improve the facelift and to remove this scar. We can see here after the procedure how almost no scar is visible, and at the back also is not visible. Here is the pre and post treatment. The procedure that I developed is the removal of all these wrinkles through an incision that go in front of the tragus. From this incision that is not perceptible, this is red now, but after some months it's going to be white and is not going to be seen to the eyes. We can see how it is possible to remove and tighten the skin from this incision. Also, we can see this nerve that is going to here now is at this level. And this is the result. Many times it's needed to combine forehead, eyebrow with a facelift. Or I perform a natural result, fast recovery, less hematoma, less edema, in order to perform with laser. It helps for all this kind result.